Otedola announced in his book there is a dropout. I'm not saying you should drop out. You should never drop out. There is a mercy for. It's mercy. It's mercy that will make a man drop out. Have you heard this man's story? What's his name? Cosmas Maduka. He will announce it publicly. He said, I am a primary school or school start. It doesn't even have secondary school. He's a billionaire. He's a Christian. He's even a better example, because I don't know about the faith of Otedola, but I can tell you about the faith of Cosmas. That man received mercy. He obtained mercy. When you wara anuba, you can imagine how some people were looking at him and angry because they had PhD. Oh, that's the reason why ASU is consistently going to strike. Your professors are hungry. They told them, they lied to them that if you have PhD, your life will be easier. But with their PhD, life is still difficult. And they feel that we've done research, we are so intelligent. What is not happening? And they've met several of their classmates that have just degree and they are doing better. I said you will obtain mercy. Let your first class obtain mercy. Let your 2-1 obtain mercy. Let your talent obtain mercy. If it does not obtain mercy, it's still nothing. It's nothing. I hope you know, even the men of God that are announced, all of them, nobody knew when they will be announced. They just kept doing their thing until God announced them. You never know when God will announce you. You never know when things will shift. Nobody can make it happen for you. But can you raise your hand as I pray? Because that's all I will be doing. I will be saying it again and again. I say, may you obtain mercy. Many of you sat with your parents and you had conversations with them, and you know your parents are not stupid. If you are the one, raise up your hand. You know. You have engaged your father, and that man does not look like a stupid man. You know. He had it all planned out. The kind of life he wanted for his children. They will go to Ghana, they will go to US, they will go to UK. He had it all planned out. But sadly, it did not happen. Let me tell you, you can have dreams though. But it is mercy that will make your dream come true. Yes, sir. Oh yes. You know now, parents don't share dreams again in their 60s and 70s. But when you were young, they kept telling you, what they would do. They were hopeful in their 40s, in their late. Am I right? They would tell you, oh, we do this. As they are getting closer to retirement, they will not be reminding you. Deji, me only retire. Mayowa, me only retire. What are they telling you? There's no more dream. Am I communicating here? And after retirement, you notice the language has shifted. They are not trying to tell you you are the hope. It has moved from them to you. What happened? Say mercy. Oh yes. So when they have told you that you should dream, it's true that you should dream. When they have told you to read books, it's true you should read books. When they told you it's good to imagine, yes, all those things they've said it's true. But you can come to a point and realize that it's not enough. Yes, sir. Oh, they told some people, go and learn software engineering. People can code, they don't have job. They say, Tech, you want to do software engineering. If you learn do software engineering, you have opportunity. They know how to code now. They are stranded. They can code. But life has coded them. That's what somebody else says. When you are code,